Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth here with another She Plans Her Life planner review video. This time we're going to talk about the 2023 Cultivate What Matters Power Planner Goal Planner book. I use this in combination with my Erin Condren planner. I'll show you all about that in a second because I love my Cultivate What Matters Powersheets. And then I also utilize this with Moxie Life, and I'm such a frankenplanner. Like, I do a little bit of everything. Now, this little power sheet, along with my Moxie Life assessment, this is that free printable we went over inside She Makes Club, and I have a video on the YouTube channel. This is all their free printables, and I just have them all clipped together. You can see like my whole 2023 assessment and plan and everything here. So that's from Moxie Life, and I keep it just in that front pouch of my 2023 power sheet book with other goal setting things. So this was really great and helpful for brainstorming and planning the year ahead. I fill in a lot of different things, break free from distractions and making sure you're like in alignment and really making the things come together. So I utilize those different color highlighters, like we talked about the mild lighters that we all labeled earlier, and each color coordinates with the different area or focus of your life, like within the Moxie Life. And I just keep them all together. And then this just stays on my desk. So naming what you want, evaluating where you are now. You can see I even put a miniature printout version of the Moxie Life graph there. And even though I didn't fill every area in completely, I'm kind of like utilizing this throughout, and then rewriting the way you talk to yourself. This is a huge one. So if you really struggle with how to sort of like walk through envisioning the bigger picture, walking through the goals, walking through what you want, this is a really, really helpful way to do it. I decided just to focus on those 3 core areas in writing it out, and that's why that's there. And then in this book, there is a layout for each month of the year. So you can use this by itself. But like I said, I'm a frankenplanner. I put stickers in. I still make this pretty, but this just stays on my desk, and I can kind of refer through and kind of see where things are at. It gives you really great worksheets for planning to achieve your goals, like what action items need to happen in order to get to the goals that you desire. And it gives you a bunch of those sheets to be able to work through to make it really easy. And then you get into like each month plan. But then they have like the brainstorm for the month and the different trending lists. This is perforated, and this is what I put into my Erin Condren. So I have a little clip in the back where it has my like tracking list, or my trending list is what it's called. So it's like items that need to happen this month that I can track. And then you can put in like different things that matter, items that need to happen weekly, and then like daily habit items that need to happen. So this can be really great for personal things, for work tracking, for other goals. Like, it's such a helpful thing. So I have a whole bunch of those printed out, and they're just clipped into the back of my Erin Condren planner, which again, it's super helpful. And then I don't have to take, 18 books whenever I go different places. This is why I sort of frankenplan. But this is, I got this particular one from the Daily Grace Co. Daily Grace Co. and Cultivate What Matters. I can't talk. Daily Grace Co. and Cultivate What Matters kind of merged together. And so you can get it on there. But there's so many different things. You can see I've been filling in the different months. And then there's like a quarterly refresh and review. You can review your month in here. And it's just really, really helpful to kind of like take each month, each step, each goal action item one by one by one. So this is a really powerful, like it's called the Power Sheets for a reason, from Cultivate What Matters. And even though it's not your daily planner that you're necessarily going to use every day, it's a great calendar view, great for project tracking, great for habit building, and a whole bunch of different things. So I really, really love how this all comes together, and just going forward, being able to utilize that. But this page, this trending list sheet, this is the key to this whole entire Power Planner book for me. I love it, being able to break out and have that progress bar of how much progress you've made each month. It's a great visual cue, and a great thing to be able to do. And then you can also see, every month has their month in review, and then there's the final year-end review. So you can do your entire review of the previous year, each area of your life, and it's just a great little thing. I love the color of it. It's a nice thickness. It's not a very big, thick, crazy book to have. So it's a great companion for just on your desk and off to the side. Especially to go along with the Cultivate What Matters season by season. Now, this is a daily planner. This is, again, from Daily Grace Co., but it is made by Cultivate What Matters, and it's called the season by season. You can see it's smaller in height and width, but it's a lot thicker of a book because it's a daily, day-by-day planner. So these are made to go kind of as companions to each other. I have not used this. I actually gave this one to my best friend, Heidi. She is just needing to like plan life and get things better together. But I wanted to review it with you guys because very similar to the Powerful Planner, or Prayerful Planner. I don't know why I said powerful because these are power sheets and Prayerful Planner. There's a lot of things to help you kind of work out what your season of life is and what really matters to you. So it kind of gives you ideas for a weekly rhythm and things that you can kind of write out to start developing habits to really create the life that you want. And this is the 2023 planner. So it starts with, again, just the month overview already dated. And then it's like a week by week, like what's coming up this week? What am I saying yes to? What am I saying no to? And then a day by day planner with like all the hours listed out, the to-dos, and then a different area to put in. You know, you could do your daily threes in here, or prayer request, or a Bible verse, or anything along those lines. So again, this one's a little bit more leaning towards utilizing your time well, and then giving you the different upcoming week, like review sheet kind of thing, which is really, really, really helpful, I have found. So day by day, able to do this. Some people really like having the hourly slots. I'm not a fan of hour by hour. I don't even really like that with the Erin Condren personally, but this is really helpful for people who have appointments like my friend Heidi does. She takes appointments all day long. So to be able to really see that and then keep the big to-do list tracking going for every single day, it's a very helpful thing for a lot of people. So being able to really look at and assess the season of life that you're in, and being able to look at what's coming up, what I need to be working on, what I need to be focused on, this is a very, very helpful planner for a lot of people to be able to see. I love the little stickers that it comes with, very coordinated. You can do the whole year at a glance. Of course, it has the pocket in the back, so that's helpful for keeping things like your stickers or receipts or quick little notes or loose items of paper in. I always keep, a clip, binder clip kind of thing in my planners. But then there's also the year in review. So to be able to go back, review, think through, look over, especially for the different areas, I always think that that's such a huge and very, very helpful thing to be able to have no matter what planner system you're utilizing or using, even if it's just something you're doing in a journal at the end of the year. So it's a very well put together binder, coil binder planner. I love that the little ends have the protection, like the gold protection clip metal, and they're a great companion to each other. I hope that this was another helpful video to look at planners and find one that works for you. Again, I highly recommend the Cultivate What Matters Powersheets, even if nothing else, but being able to work through, brainstorm, and plan out each day, each month, each week is a super helpful thing to be able to do. I hope that you enjoyed this. Enjoy the moments. I will leave links below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do all the YouTube-y, Facebook-y things. It helps us a lot. And I'll see you again soon at By Megan Elizabeth and She Makes Club. Enjoy the moments.